Unlock a universe of cinematic entertainment with Stremio, your all-in-one media hub. First things first, you'll need to get Stremio onto your device. Head over to the official Stremio website and download the installer that matches your operating system. Whether it's Windows, macOS, Linux, or even Android and iOS. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch Stremio. You'll be greeted by its clean and intuitive interface. Your first step to accessing content is installing Addons. Think of these as the gateways to your movies and shows. To find and install Addons, navigate to the Addons tab, usually found on the left-hand side or at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see a catalog of official and community-created Addons. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific Addons that offer the content you're looking for. Popular choices often include Addons that aggregate links from various streaming sources. Once you've found an Addon you want, simply click on it and then click the install button. It's that easy. The Addon will be added to your account and will immediately start populating Stremio's library with new content. Now that you have your Addons installed, you can begin exploring. The main interface is where all your discovered content will appear. You can browse by movies, TV shows, or even use the search function to find something specific you're craving. Clicking on a movie or show will bring up its details, including a synopsis, cast information, and available streaming options. If multiple Addons provided, simply select your preferred source and hit play to start streaming. Stremio's built-in player handles all the decoding, delivering a smooth viewing experience directly on your device. You can enjoy a vast library of films and shows, all from one convenient application. So dive in, install your favorite Addons, and start your streaming adventure with Stremio today.